Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's just awesome that you're tuning in, because we're going to do some more testing on the Powkiddy RGB10. We're going to play some more games, because in the main review normally I'm testing one, maybe two games for each platform, otherwise it would be a freaking 30 minutes video. But in this video we are going to focus on the Mame arcade part. How is this running on the RGB10? Because it can be, there is a possibility that some games are not running like, let's say they're running like shit. So that's what we're going to find out. Consider subscribing, become the Wicked family. It would be great to have you here. And if you've done that, yeah, very good. Then you're not naughty, and let's play some games.
ドクターモーリー、このエリアは森林伐採に悩まされている。御用者の仕業だ。奴らはこの星を
player. Prep to move. Round 1.
Select your character. Select your super art. Round 1. Fight.
I got you. Yeah, I see. Prepare to strike. Now.
Flash! Yeah! Hadouken! Hadouken Fugen! Now! Hadouken! Hadouken Fugen! Yeah! Hadouken! Hadouken Fugen! Hadouken! Hadouken Fugen!
Let's go.
Hadouken Fugen! Flash! Oriented Pop! Yeah! Hadouken Fugen!
Okay guys, so this is what you're going to get with the Powkiddy RGB number 10. Yeah, the emulation itself is pretty decent. There will be in game that runs not that great. Maybe you can mess around with it and get it working. But it's a pretty decent device when you want to play some arcade on the go. I really love the form factor because this device is not the only handheld that is based on the RK2326 chip. Where the Odroid Go Advance and the RK2020 are basically more of the same. But I do like the polished version of this Powkiddy and it plays very decent. I really love the shape of it, so I am in love. So this is what you're going to get. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, become on the Wicked family, and I will see you in the next one.